Hi, I'm Dr. Kit Weathers, and it's time for the Root Tip of the Week. Hey, I'm Dr. Kit Weathers. Today I'm going to show you 100 card tricks. Actually, I'm going to show you one trick that allows it to look like you're doing 100 tricks. Now, what I need is a blackboard over here. As a matter of fact, that blackboard would be really nice if it could show me exactly what's happening behind my hand, sort of like that. And what we're going to do is a card trick that helps us figure out how to do 100 other card tricks. Now, if you only knew one way to reveal a card, and that was to take it off the top of the deck, but 100 ways to find it, you would only know one card trick. If I can show you one way to find a card in the deck and 100 different ways to reveal it, you know 100 card tricks. Let me show you one of the simplest ways to find a card there is. And this can be a legitimate choice. They can just pick any card. We'll just pop one out of the deck. They can even sign that card if you want them to. Write their name across it because it's a legitimate free choice. And what you're going to do is place it back in the deck, but we do it in a special way. We tell the person to say stop at any point, and whenever they say stop, we let them drop the card into the deck, and it's fair, it's in the middle of the deck, and then we close up the deck and we say, we're going to try to find your card by looking through the deck. And so I'll cut the cards once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and at this point, I'm going to bring the card to the top. There's your card. And then we'd reveal it. To learn the secret to this and other magic tricks in this series, go to EndoRootCamp.com. Hi, welcome again to the Root Tip of the Week. I'm Dr. Kit Weathers, and I'm here with Dr. Michael Silverman.
Hey, Kit.
Michael is here doing the DOCS course, D-O-C-S. I'm going to let him tell you what that stands for. But I'd like to just let you give a little plug for your course. I'm going to zoom in a little closer and let you talk.
Okay. Thanks, Kit. Well, we're here at LVI, and we're presenting DOCS Education's Oral Sedation Dentistry program, which is designed to help practitioners to incorporate or improve the type of sedation they're providing for their patients. It's a patient-centered course. It's very scientific, a lot of safety information in it, and we also provide 14 protocols for which the doctors can use on the patients to be able to safely sedate them. But you know what's so interesting, Kit, is that I got involved with the Root Camp because you're flying behind me, aren't you?
You're actually in the clouds here. I thought this was a nice background.
It's a good
sedation.
background.
Yeah, of course.
I'm kind of floating on a cloud like my patient when they're sedated.
It's making me sleepy. I know that. Whoa, I'm getting caught in a windstorm. Okay. Go ahead.
Well, it was about 13 years ago that I got involved first time with Root Camp, and it was because of sedation. I was seeing a lot of patients who required endodontic therapy, and the results I was getting from the endo treatment I was providing using a standard protocol was not up to the standard of the rest of the quality of dentistry I was providing. So I had heard about Kit's Root Camp, and I attended Kit's Root Camp, and then afterwards I purchased his home study course, which I really highly recommend. It's great videos that help you really focus on what you're doing so you don't have to take as many notes during the course. And I started to do all these root canals on my patients safely and with really a much, much better result. And I was telling Kit about this one time when I had a patient who came in who had such severe dental disease. I needed to do 10 endodontic treatments in one visit, which I did, mostly anterior teeth, but I did it using Kit's techniques. And the results were beautiful. The patient, 15 years later still has all those teeth still in their mouth. And it was an amazingly productive day. And I couldn't have done it with that quality or that confidence without the Root Camp. So I know I was here supposedly to plug my program, but I really am plugging
Hey, I appreciate that.
Kit's.
Yeah. Listen, I will tell you a little bit more about DOCS too. I've attended that course, and it is the best absolute information you can get. In my courses, I always say that I'm going to show people how to use standard injection techniques to get patients numb 98% of the time. but 2% of the people are not going to get numb no matter what you do. So you've got to go take the docs course. The information right now is on your screen. If you look right down at the bottom, it'll tell you how to sign up. So I appreciate you being here, Michael. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Kit.
Let's fly away. Here we go. Whoa! Okay. Well, that's it for another Root Tip of the Week. I'm Dr. Kit Weathers, inviting you to join me at our very next Root Camp. So long for now.